Someday, sometime, it's going to happen. Your windshield is going to meet the business end of a flying rock. And when it does, isn't it great to know that the Autoglass Solutions Powertech Windshield Repair Kit can quickly and effectively return your windshield and your life back to normal. The Autoglass Solutions Powertech Windshield Repair Kit produces clearly better repairs, and here's why. The adjustable bridge speeds correct placement of the assembly. The injector is stainless steel. It's easy to clean and will last for years. The vertical resin filling port provides easy access on bus and semi-windshields. The large pit adapter ensures a positive seal on large pit repairs. White O-rings won't produce dark reflections like black or red ones. Our simple UV shield allows you to focus on the repair procedure, not hassling with bulky plastic covers. A dependable piston-operated suction base stays on the glass. A powerful, self-contained vacuum and pressure pump system speeds the repair process. A durable, easy-to-clean bridge. Rear stabilizers for curved surfaces. The best, fast-wicking resins available which produce clearly better repairs.